Hey, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you get to be notified. So if you are in Thailand and you're looking for a way to use Kalodata tools for your TikTok shop, in this video I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process on how to make use of Kalodata for your TikTok shops. So if you use the link in the description to sign up on Kalodata, you're gonna be getting up to 10% of your purchase. And whether you are interested in subscribing to the pro or the basic or the business one, you can actually enjoy all the features. So going on to the pricing section right here, you're gonna see that if you're in Thailand, you'll be paying let me click on that, $16 for the starter price, for starter plan, sorry. Then for the premium, $32 thereabout if you go subscribe for the yearly plan. But if you subscribe for the monthly plan, you're gonna be paying $23, then $47. And for the custom or for the enterprise, you have to contact the customer support center, right? So, and if you use the link in the description, you're gonna get 10% off your purchase. I think that's a lot on the other hand. So aside from that, let's get straight down to the inside of the Kalodata platform. And for you to know, I'm using a professional account, so I have access to most of these features, right? So I'm gonna click on the explore page. So once you sign up on the platform, you're gonna have access to the explore page. So under the explore page, we have hot selling products, and which of course is also hot selling ranking product on in Thailand, right? So because all the data I'll be seeing right here is based on Thailand, and then those are the products that are actually trending right there. So you can see this product. This is an iPad. This is a, I think, bed. This is a phone as well, iPhone 13. Then this is a package box, I swear, I guess. Then this another liquid collagen. I think this and supplement or something like that. So if I click on more right here, I'll be able to see more products that are actually trending and selling on the TikTok shops in Thailand. So you can see all these products. You can see they are in Thailand language, so which means all the data we are seeing right here are accurate, right? So, and then after this, you can also navigate to the shop so that you see different shops and different products that they are selling. So this shop right here, these are the top 3 products that are selling in the shop, and you can see the revenue so far, which is almost $14 million. So if you scroll to this particular one right here, you can see all the products right here. You can see the total revenue that this product have generated. Then you can see the trends, you can see the revenue, you can see the growth, you can see the items sold and the average unit price. So if you scroll down, you see another one right here. You can see, then scroll all the way down, you see different products right there. So after the shop product, you navigate to the creator, where you see different creators like yourself who are also trying to promote different products in order to make money. So on this particular creator right here, which is Wayne William, so he is promoting these 3 products. He is promoting more products, but these are the top 3 products that he is promoting, and you can see the revenue he have generated in the last 30 days. You can see the content view, and you can see the view trends and all that. So you can see how people are actually checking on different posts that he have. There's this another one right here. You can see all the products that they are also selling. And if I click on this TikTok logo or TikTok icon right here, it will take me straight down to Williams TikTok account, which of course is having 20.9 million, which is almost 21 million followers on TikTok. So let's try to check that to see if this is accurate. So you can see right here, which is almost the same thing. So I guess he just meet up to the 21 million followers on TikTok. This is really amazing, right? So which means that the data that we are seeing right here is very accurate, right? So you scroll all the way down, then you also see some other creators as well. So all these data are accurate, and you can also see how much these people are generating. And if you click on the product, you're gonna see another section for products, and this is exact product that we have seen on the home page before under the explore page. All right, then if you click on video and ads, then you're gonna see different video and people that are also promoting their own video in order to generate more sales. So this one right here, you can see ads at the top, then it means that this person is promoting his video in order to generate sales. And you can see the revenue so far in the last 30 days, and you can see the items sold 28,000, almost 29,000. You can see the views, you can see the revenue, you can see the sales and ad spend as well, so which is not bad. Then the time that this video was published, you can see I think last 2 months thereabout. That's like June or July. So let's try to check on the video so you can see what he is doing inside his video.
อันนี้วิงแซบครับลูกค้าจ๋าตัวนี้เป็นปาปริก้าครับส่วนตัวนี้เป็นบาร์บีคิวครับแล้วก็ขายดีครับ Hot and Spicy ลูกค้าจ๋าเดี๋ยววันนี้จัดโปรโมชั่นพิเศษใครที่เห็น
Can you see that is how he is trying to promote his product? Then this is another one right here. That's 1 second's video.
แล้วนะกดให้ทันเนี่ย1แถม1บิต Excel ขนาด 1,800 กรัมนะ TikTok เขาจัดโปรเฉลี่ยแล้วตกถุงละแค่100เดียวเองไปซื้อข้างนอกก็เกือบ200
And you can also download any of this video just for you to get some ideas on how to make your own video too. So let's try to scroll down to see some other video. Then you can use the link in the description to sign up and start promoting different products of your choice in order to make money on TikTok shop. So let's check on this one. This video has been removed or hidden, so we don't have access to see this video. So let's check on this one. Alright, so you can see different products and different strategy to promote your own product. So every individual have their own way of promoting products, so you can see how it's done. So just explore which kind of video you actually want to, or which kind of product you actually want to promote, then see people that are already promoting those products, then apply their ideas to your own in order to grow your video and make money. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.